Hello, my dear viewers. This is Druka's Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 17th of May 2023. The day is Wednesday, and I am Druka's Copy's trading community member. I'm not an employee of Druka's Copy Bank, so whatever I'm going to tell here in this webinar are my own opinions. They have nothing to do with the Druka's Copy Bank. We will be strictly discussing the price action and only price action in this webinar. We will not talk anything about the fundamentals. As a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information, since it is already priced into the chart, so why talk about charts? Why talk about fundamentals, right? So we'll only focus on charts. And in the charts also, we'll only be using the candlestick charts for our analysis purpose. And we'll see how we can use the key levels that we draw here in our trading. Okay. We'll try to minimize the risk. We'll try to trade in the direction of the trend. And yes, that's it. So let's see our charts, but before that, let me show you some risk disclaimers. They're very important, and then we hop onto the charts. Hello MGA, hello and welcome to the stream. All right, right now on your screen is the 4-hourly chart of the dollar index. Till yesterday's trading, we had seen, I can actually go back 6 candle, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we were here after the breakout, and now the price has actually broken higher than the yesterday's high, actually day before yesterday's high, which is 102.56, and is slowly inching towards 102.99, which is our major resistance. Above that, I think the next level will be, next big level will be 104.70. On the way up, the price will test these highs as the fresh resistance, of course, but next big level is, I think, 104.70. And also right now the big level is 102.99 on the upside. On the downside, you will find some support from the price around 102.56 area. All right guys, nothing much on this one. This is a classic break and retest, and then shooting towards the next higher targets. Euro, well, euro right now it is looking like as if euro is going up, but on the bigger time frame I can say that euro is going down only. It has just broken these lows of around 1.0831, and after breaking this low, I think the price has already given direction to us that it is going towards 1.0789, which is the next level. But before that, I think there must be some resistance posed by the price, or new sellers should emerge to push the price lower. For that, we need to look at the lower time frames. And at the lower time frames, it looks like this falling channels support area is trying to push the prices higher. I think it will be, if it not will be, that it may be rejected at around 1.0845, which was the previous support, which now may turn into resistance if the price goes here. So on the way down, you can find horizontal support around 1.0789. And on the upside, you can find horizontal resistance at around 1.08453. And even if you go further north, then you will find a huge resistance around 1.0909 region. Okay, here I see that there is a lot of buying in the pound today. I mean at the lower levels. Okay, at the breach of 1.2435, we were expecting a huge sell-off because this was the lowest low that the price had created before making this high. But you see what has happened. As soon as the price went lower, it was used as an opportunity because all these stop losses got triggered. So somebody came in to push the prices higher, and see now what is happening. This is another way of trading. Okay, let all these stop losses get hit, and then we will take the market in our direction. So yes, there is a possibility that the price will break from this channel, which I'm going to draw right now. Okay, wait, before that, I think I must clear all this clutter so that you can see what is happening on the charts. All right, so I'm expecting actually this falling channel to break and the price to continue up, continue on the upside. But if it doesn't happen and the price gets resistance here, then lower lows are possible. Now this is a classic break of market structure. Okay, on the daily I will show you. On the 4 hour it is not that obvious. You see here, the price was making higher highs and higher lows till now. Okay, after this the price made a low here which was not lower than this one and made a high here, but right now today it has made a low which is lower than this one also and this one also. So ideally speaking, the market structure has broken, so we should be looking for lower highs. Now that lower high can be anywhere below this 2679. Now it can be here also, right? But yes, we are looking for the lower high now. Now it can be here, it can be here, it can be here, it can be even here. Okay, like this also. But yes, we are looking for the lower high. But like I said, that as soon as the price went lower, it gave us a bullish pin bar already on the daily chart. So there is a possibility that this was a trap for the bears. This was a trap for the bears who wanted to go short below this. They went short and somebody bought entire market with the targets on the higher side. This is what I'm expecting. All right. So for the pound on the upside, this falling channel is the first resistance, and thereafter this rising channel is the second resistance. The third resistance will be posed by 1.2577 levels. Similarly, on the Australian dollar, the price is consolidating between 0.6705 and 0.6635 area. In fact, it has taken support at around 0.6635 area, and now it's trying to go higher. Now, what do you call it? Not keep this mind. What do you call it in English? Okay, if you look at it carefully, that this previous low was taken out here. Okay, now when this low was taken out, this is like making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. So now this is the lower low, and now we are expecting a lower high to be formed, which must be anywhere lower than 0.6709 area. Understand? So we are expecting a lower high to be formed and then a lower low to be formed in this market. On the high side, the immediate resistance around on 4 hours time frame is 0.6709, and on the downside now support will be 0.6619 and thereafter 0.6572. The bias is bearish in the Australian dollar. Here on the New Zealand dollar, although this is a 4 hourly chart, and on the 4 hour the bias is bullish. Okay, till the time the price I think is trading now on above 0.62, not 25, yeah, 0.6225, the bias is bullish on the 4 hour. But if you ask me on the daily, then I think the bias will be bearish here. Why? Because the market structure has broken here, and expect 0.6262 area to act as a huge resistance, and the prices may be pushed towards 0.6187 in this market very soon. Although today it did not happen, but I'm expecting tomorrow or maybe day after the prices to turn back towards 0.6187 area. USD JPY, we are bullish. 137.49 is where the price is trading right now. 137.77 is expected as the first target in this one. Later on we can have higher targets, but right now the first target is 137.77, which is the previous high. Okay, on the downside, 133.01 is the support for this. Similarly, on the USD CAD, we are looking at a bearish pin bar that is also not at resistance. So you can consider this area as an area of no trading. Okay, this area, because here the buyers are also powerful, the sellers are also powerful. When both are powerful, that means nobody is powerful. So the price is essentially going nowhere. It is just consolidating. So we need the price to either break higher than 1.3567 or break lower than 1.3314, so that we can make some decision on the US dollar against the loonie here. And for this reason, I will say that stay away from this market for the time being, please. Okay, USD CAD, it is not going in one single direction. So if the price is not going in a single direction, my suggestion is stay away from such markets. Okay, USD CHF, today it broke higher than 0.8994, technically this is a break of the market structure to the upside. But like I said, that even if the price goes higher, it will find a huge resistance around 0.9070. So now here, if the price starts going up from here, 0.9070 area should provide a lot of resistance to the price, with the targets I think again below 0.8994. but this area again will become an area of no trading. Why? Because it has broken market structure, so we will be biased, but since there is a huge resistance at around 0.9070, so we will be sellers. So if we are buyers and sellers, we cannot be both at the same time, so we will stay away from this, sit on the sidelines. Either we want the price to go above 0.9070 so that we can buy, or the price should drop below 0.8994 so that we can be sellers. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now I would like to sit on the sidelines, seeing this price action today, where the price has entered this zone of resistance and then came back. Silver, like we were targeting on the lower levels, 2355 was the first target that is taken. So now from here the price can go to back towards 2447, but don't buy this market at 2447. You should be looking for selling this market, okay, with the lower targets around 22.80. so let's see how the things unfold in the silver. But right now 2447 is the resistance, 2355 is the support. All right, on the gold, gold is also dropping. Actually, the price which we were expecting to act as a support is actually now acting as a resistance when the price approaching that area from the bottom. So now support for the gold is 1969. Till the time the price is trading above 1969, we will be buyers in the gold. But I think I will be very cautious near 1969. Yes, below 1969 it is a very good opportunity to go short in the gold. On the higher side, we have now resistance at 1999 level, and on the lower side we have support at around 1969. This is 1 minute in Brent, this is 1 day in Brent. Okay guys, Brent is doing good right now, is trading at 76.97. 75.82 is the support for this, 77.57 is the resistance. Later on we can also witness resistance around 78.827, but right now the immediate resistance is 77.57. on the lower side, support may be seen as 75.82. USDs well, South African rand is gaining against the US dollar for the time being, at least on the 4 hour. But if you see the result of the day, then the US dollar has gained a lot against the South African rand. The price action of last 3 days has been negated. The next big resistance is at around 19.5118 and support is at around 18.9934. Bitcoin is just consolidating, not making any higher high, not making any lower low, just consolidating close to 26,950 area. This consolidation may be for a move higher. Like if there would have been a selling, I think that would have already happened because the price is at the resistance zone, so the sellers would have already entered. So I think it is there is possibility that the price will start going up from here. Euro JPY right into the resistance zone. Here somebody should be, I mean the sellers should be looking at this price action and they must be ready with their either buy positions or sell position. Sell position, then it should happen below 149.26. if the buy position, then it will happen above 149.26 area. Euro GBP, we are short in this one with the targets of 0.8546, stop loss above 0.8730 because 8730 is a very crucial resistance level. Well, that's done. Today we had a very small webinar. Any questions, guys? Feel free to ask. So here something has happened. Anyways, the price has broken higher. 4144 is where it is trading right now. 4158 is the resistance. On the lower side, you have support at 4048. So if it has broken on the higher side, expect the price to retrace back to test this area, the fresh support, and then pull higher. Let's look for this type of price action. Ethereum is trading at the support, 1784 is the support. If it even goes further, 7037 will try to act as a support. On the high side, the resistance is at 2015. The price doesn't seem like going here, but still it is holding above support, so there is a high probability that the price will go here, okay, 2015. But right now from the today's red candle, I don't think that we can make out whether the price is going today or tomorrow towards 2015. Because if there would have been a buying here in this area, actually this much of buying, because see, if somebody has to push the prices higher, he will not immediately buy all the bitcoins, right? So he will wait for the price to hit again and again at the same area. So 1784, I think if it is holding for the long time, then there is a accumulation happening in this region. And if the 1784 area is not holding, that means the buyers are not interested in the lower levels also. Euro against the Australian dollar, very good bearish engulfing. The price can continue further towards 1.6135 and 1.6034 on the higher side. The resistance is at 1.6356 on the lower side. Support is at 1.6135. Now this is the importance of opening the trades as close to the levels. Okay, CAD JPY higher highs than the previous levels, that is 101.80, which was our initial target. Now after this 103.46 is possible, and before that I expect the price to retrace back towards 101.80 to watch it as the fresh support for the price before hitting 103.46 area. USA tech, guys, is going very nice, very nice. You remember that we told that after breakout above 13140 it should be hitting 13723. It has already traveled more than 400 points from there. Okay, so the targets are not very far, expected to be reached tomorrow or maybe day after. Okay, resistance is 13723, support is 13140. GBP or AUD, I think we should be looking for a buying opportunity in this pound against the Australian dollar now, because pound is performing very nice. Anything above yesterday's high should be a buying signal, and the resistance is 1.8923. Support for the pound here is around, okay, I have not drawn it, but if you look at the bigger horizon, then 1.8395 is the support area. But these lows here may be also considered as the support area for the pound. Last is the Dow Jones. Well, Dow Jones is performing very, very nicely right now. It is breaking to the upside from this falling channel which we had created on the daily, and now it looks like it is going to hit this 33,823 area, which will be another opportunity for you to go short. Well, that's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me right now. Otherwise, I'm willing to close this webinar today very fast. All right, any more questions? Any questions? Please ask questions if you have any. Okay, MJ, I guess only we two are here today. I wish you very warm evening, and maybe see you tomorrow. What do you say? Alright, guys, those who are watching the recorded version of this webinar, I hope you know about the support and resistance level that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. With this note, I will just end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Thank you MGA for joining. I hope that it helps whatever I have said today, although there was nothing much to discuss, and also I have to go early. Thank you for your understanding. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.